Oh, dang, look at this. A Winnebago. Oh, this is nice. Little kitchenette. I think it's the right term for that. I don't really know. I don't cook. Like the little wood accents here and there in the yellow. Right now we're taking off the hood fence because we're going to be actually vinyl wrapping the hood. I believe we're doing a satin black, so it's going to be really cool. Correction, we'll be doing matte black, not satin black on the hood.
This right here is the shelf, but when you take these out, it's a shower.
Oh.
And a toilet.
Maybe I should quit my life and just become a traveling homeless person.
You so stupid.
Look, it even has like a little net so you can cook and the smell can, you know, travel out.
Oh, no, this is cool. You sit outside.
Oh, the table? Like, does it come like this or
Yeah,
what?
it's built. They don't.
Oh,
Mercedes supplies the base vehicle. It goes to what they call outfitters.
I climbed up the thing. It's solar panels.
Haywood, yeah, you can climb up here.
Climb up here? I'm already up here. Nice, solar panels so you can go really freaking green.
Oh my god, that is cool. There's the solar control panel, tells you how much power you have left. And there's actual bed up there. I guess you have to have access the key to lower the bed down to sleep in it.
We're doing photosync 45 on the side windows, so these two side windows, and the same on the back there as well. I believe this is gonna be Dustin's greatest work.
My Sistine Chapel. Got a tent upside down.
Dude, this thing is huge. We're done with the Winnebago. I really like the color of this thing. As you can see, we vinyl wrapped the hood. It was once the same color, like this tan color. It's now matte black. Matches the plastic bumper that comes from factory. It looks a little bit more aggressive, so that's cool. We also ceramic coated the hood as well because it is matte black. Matte vinyl films do get dirty pretty quickly. So when you ceramic coat that, it makes it a lot easier to clean. Side windows on either side are also tinted in photosync 45. It's gonna be perfect for those long drives, and whenever the client needs to park it outside and there's no shade, it's gonna make it a lot more comfortable. And this is what the side windows look like from the inside looking out. Really clear, not an issue with visibility whatsoever, but it is gonna help with the sun. So if you have a Winnebago, let us help you with your outdoor adventures.
Before they climb in a dragon for the ride uphill. Who knows safe and sound go. Okay, let me go.
I know that's more concave than the front would be, but that would look pretty dope, wouldn't it?
Yeah, dude. It's sick, bruh.
It's like trash. You're just jealous.
You get it before Sean.
Hey Sean, aren't you racking up like a $1,500 bill right now?
Okay, I'm just gonna take out that long, Ted.
See, that's the difference. I don't do that. If I can't buy it, I just don't buy it.
Hey, Dad! We're starting on a Model 3 project right now. We're gonna be wrapping this black Model 3 and turning it into a satin black Model 3. Probably the most blacked out Model 3 we've done because we even smoked the taillights and the headlights. Chrome delete is already done, as you can see.
Don't you think it's gonna be too intertwined? It's a big word for you right there, it's intertwined.
We have the badges and the mirrors and the window trim down here taken off so we can get a nice clean wraparound. We are going satin black, so any bit of gloss black showing is not going to be good. So we're trying to minimize that as much as possible. Right now we have the whole side piece laid on the car, trimming out the doors and like the rocker panels and all that stuff. Some say that Sean will take over a year to do this job. I think more like a decade. Actually, the speed that he's moving at right now is the fastest I've ever seen him move. This is incredible.
Wow, guys, such a rare sight. This is like a polar eclipse. It comes once a year. Like.
What's a polar eclipse? You mean a lunar eclipse? The fuck is a polar eclipse? Dustin, is that even real? Dustin, is that real?
It's I think you meant solar.
Polar eclipse. That's what you see Santa Claus right across the moon at night to deliver the presents.
This fat eclipse is the moon.
Now we're on the driver's side, so we have the big piece laid out again.
Alright. I'm just gonna lay mine down.
Quesadilla, burrito, tortugas. Ay, 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 ay.
One eternity later.
We're done vinyl wrapping this Model 3. I'm gonna show you guys this. This is the stealthiest Model 3 we have ever done. Look at this Model 3. The whole thing has been wrapped in satin black. The hood, the bumpers, the doors, the trunk, the rear bumper, the rear fenders, everything was wrapped. So previously we did the chrome delete on this car. That too was also satin black. Blends right in with the new wrap that we put on the car. Just complements the whole look entirely. But we didn't just stop there. As you can see, the taillights and the headlights are tinted in the smoke vinyl. Goes with the whole theme that we're trying to go for. We took off everything that we could on the car to wrap it as cleanly as possible. So like for example, the window trims were taken off, even the rear spoiler was taken off, and of course matching black badges to complete the stealthy look.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Holy
The tint on the headlights,
oh my
it blends in.
god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, the tinting the headlights makes it work like so much better. Oh my. Holy. Oh my god, dude.
Dude, this is what I call OEM plus. Like,
Yeah.
they should have a package just like this, straight off the factory.
Because
Alright guys, that's it for the vlog. Thanks so much for watching. We want to work on your car, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. If you enjoyed this video in any way, shape, or form, please like and subscribe. I really would appreciate it. And there'll be more coming, so I will see you guys next time. Well, my legs are all broken thanks to you.
How are your legs broken because of me?
Dude, why are all your legs broken?
I just told you why.
How would I have broken your legs?
You okay?
How?
God.
How would I have broken your legs?